We were on the road the next morning with the destination of Kickapoo State Park in Illinois. The drive was 4 hours, which by now did not feel very long. We then arrived at our campsite. The Kickapoo State Recreation Area was pretty cool, with plenty of trails and things to see, like deer. My dad, brother, and I went on a long walk. We saw the river we would be kayaking on the next day.
So what did you hear from them?
After that, we hung out at our campsite with relatives. That night there was a tornado watch, which kind of freaked out some of us, but we stayed in our tent and the storm was done by 9 p.m.
End of day 4!